NTFS Alternate Data Stream exploit. This method is used to hide some malicious program with some image file or some MP4 file. Attacker use this technique to hide malicious program with some documentation file and send with the mail or any attachment facility and send to the target machine, and target machine's user try to run it, and that malicious program behind the file it also run in the background, and attacker establish connection with the remote machine using that malicious program. So in this video I will demonstrate how you can hide file with the NTFS alternate data stream. So let's begin. Here I have Windows Server 2012 machine and I have one setup file any desk, and it is working fine. Here you can see. Now let me create one folder, but before create folder just verify your partition is formatted with the NTFS and file system is NTFS. So let me create a folder with the name of folder 1, and now let me copy any disk to the folder 1, and now need to open CMD, go to the folder 1 and just list it. Here you can see anydesk.exe has been already copied. And now let me create one text file using notepad command and type file1.txt for file name. Click on yes. This is a test file. Just close it and save it. Just use dir command to list. Here you can see file1.txt has been created. Now we just need to type, define the file name. File name is anydesk.exe and just define file1.txt and anydesk.exe. Now we just need to delete anydesk.exe program with the del command and just list it. Here you can see anydesk.exe is not available. Now we just need to make link. Give me a name. Name is a virus. You can give any name. I just give one name virus.exe, and now just type file1.txt and anydesk.exe. Symbolic link has been created. Just we need to give command virus, and here you can see anydesk is run. You just need to run command virus and it will run anydesk program. So hope you understand how attacker hide any malicious program with the files, and when destinations users try to run it and program has been run, program can be run on the background, and that machine establish connection with the remote machine, attacker's machine, and attacker can take control over the system. So hope you understand how you can create NTFS data stream exploit by using NTFS utility. So thank you for watching this video.